Welcome back to Unboxed. In today's short video, we are going to go over the 3rd Gen Toyota Tundra gloss black grille surround and bumper cap kit. Now this is one of the most popular upgrades for all you 22 and up Toyota Tundra owners looking to black out the front ends of your trucks. Now this is a Toyota OEM kit, as you guys can see, it comes in a gloss black finish, which looks really awesome. One really nice thing about this kit is that it includes both the grille surround and the bumper caps, so you're gonna have a nice, really complete look on the front ends of your trucks. So if you are looking to get rid of the brushed aluminum pieces or the chrome pieces, depending on which model you have, this is a fantastic upgrade for you. And this will work for all 22 and up Toyota Tundra models. Doesn't matter which trim you have, this will work for you. With this being a Toyota OEM piece, it is going to be a 100% bolt-on installation. You will just need to pull out your OEM pieces and slap these guys in. Installation on this, I would give yourself about an hour to 2 hours to get this upgraded, as you will need to pull out the front bumper cover, but installation is fairly simple. Anyway, that's all the time we have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think about this upgrade kit down in the comments below. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you.